Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use blending mode real-time view in Photoshop 2019. This one is the great option added by Adobe Photoshop 2019. So how to use this blending mode option? Let's begin. First of all, take a new document or new page, adjust your page size. You can choose any page size. This one is my page, and take your image. Just drag and drop and then adjust the image as per your workspace. When you complete your adjustment, then crop the image, then click on move tool, then go to your blending image, what image you want to blend on your workspace. Just adjust the size as per your blending area, right click and go to blending mode. This one is the great option. You can see the real-time view of your blending image. This one make you easy to choose your option. I think this one looks great. Adjust the image as per your image, then take another picture and same process, just adjust the image as per your workspace. And go to blending mode and choose the effect. In that time, this one is good in lighter effect, so I chosen the lighten. Then another one, I think this one looks better in screen mode, so I chosen the screen mode. Adjust the image. Real-time blending mode very helpful because you can see the real-time view and you can directly apply your blending mode. Adjust your image and right click. Now I increases the saturation of this image, then go to Librarian and increase the saturation. Now I am going to apply brush tool and blending mode. Take one new layer, then go to brush tool and select your brush select your color. You just change the foreground color and apply. Then go to blending mode and use your option with real-time view. I think this one looks good in overlay. Yeah, overlay, and I applied it. Now the work is done almost. This one is just a tutorial, and you can also make so many changes and you can make your picture more better than this tutorial. So hope you like this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Thank you and goodbye.